You know what? I don't even think I need these because look at this. It's spring fed. So when I get to where it's really tight, I kind of twist it out and then lock it down. And then it's spring fed. So that will just, the pressure will keep it there. I think that would work perfect. I'm going to try it on my, right here. I'm going to try it right on that. All I got to do is figure the length of it and then just smush it in there and put it through those rings. Yeah, I'm going to give it a shot. First step is just to figure out the distance, right? So I just got to figure out the distance. So I'm going to kind of like get it right about there and then twist her out. Just like that. And bam, look at that. It's on there. We got it. That's basically how you do it right there, man. Let me show you. It's just pushing against there. I mean, I didn't get it all the way in, but if I push it in like that, bam, Bob's your uncle. And you see how this one is? This is a much sturdier one, right? So I think we're going to use this one. We're going to put these rings through it and then smush it up here, up on this thing. I think that's going to work good. Let's try it. All right, so here's my thing. This is my, like I've got it to the length that I want it. I'm going to feed this through. I'm going to put my thing on this side. So now we're ready to go, and all I've got to do is put it up into the area up here. Okay, so that's good. So now I've got to go up here. I'm just going to push it right in here, just like that. And then if I twist it, it gets tight. And then I can smush it up. And that's it. Bam, done. What do you think? So now if I want to, there's my thing. Pretty good, huh? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.